OSMF Mouth Opening Treatment at Home Promise. About OSMF. OSMF Mouth Opening Kit is a complete oral submucous fibrosis Ayurvedic treatment kit with a OSMF Lollipop, OSMF Tablet, OSMF Gel, unique mouth opening exercise device. You can do it by yourself. Fast relief form 5 symptoms of oral submucous fibrosis. Award winner. Do it yourself. Fast action. Handy pack. Let's see how to order. Open www.osmfmouthopeningkit.com. Products will be displayed. You can select the order of your choice. Product will be added in your cart. Proceed for checkout. Enter address and amp. Other details carefully. Complete the payment process. Hooray! Your product will deliver soon. Order now. Also available at Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal.